New to .NET Modernization and wondering how to upgrade legacy applications? This free, hands-on .NET Modernization for Beginners course walks you through the process using GitHub Copilot and Visual Studio, one step at a time. Here's what you need to know. Why this course matters. Modernizing legacy .NET applications can feel overwhelming, especially if you're just getting started. This free, open-source course walks you through upgrading a real ASP.NET application to .NET 10 using the GitHub Copilot Modernization Agent, helping you understand every stage before any code is changed. Learn by doing. Instead of simply explaining the concepts, the course gives you practical exercises to complete yourself. You'll learn how the modernization agent creates transparent, editable artifacts, including assessment.md, plan.md, and tasks.md, so you can review, customize, and stay in control throughout the entire upgrade process. A GitHub Copilot subscription is required. What you will learn. The course follows the same journey as a real-world .NET modernization project, taking you from assessment to deployment. You'll learn how to analyze legacy applications, create and customize upgrade plans, modernize code with GitHub Copilot, and deploy your application to Azure. Getting started. To begin, you'll need Visual Studio 2022 17.10 Plus or Visual Studio 2026, a GitHub Copilot subscription, and the free .NET Modernization for Beginners GitHub repository. The repository includes step-by-step documentation, videos, and hands-on exercises to help you learn at your own pace. Stay tuned for more .NET updates.